Yeah, g'day team. Scotty here for All Brand Caravan Services. You join me on location. So we're west of Gingin here on Lake Mundurin, home of the big Barra Monday. And I have been here and I have caught plenty of big barras, and I've also been here and been very disappointed. But this time of the year, there's been plenty of humidity, as we all know. There's been barometer changing, and the Barra have been really, really good. So from here, we're going to Begara, we're going to Mon Repos, little turtle hatchlings. Hopefully we're going to see some little turtles, and we're also going to throw the crab pots in and try and get a couple of big mud crabs for a feed. And then I think the next week we're off to Rainbow Beach doing a bit of offshore fishing. But as we often mention, Toddy and the team, with all the storms that have been around, if you do get any damage, don't forget insurance. Give the team a call there, Toddy and the boys, and they can give you a bit of a quote if you need some work. They do all of that sort of stuff. Or more importantly, a big one is that if you just come back from a big trip, you might have done a week, 2, 3, 4 weeks over Christmas, you've now settled. Don't forget the maintenance on your vans. Okay, so to take all of that worry away, once again, Toddy and the team, you can drop it in, give them a call, drop it in, make sure it is in tip-top condition, get everything looked at. So if you're planning your next trip maybe for Easter, which isn't too far away, or even if you haven't been away for Christmas and you're going away at Easter, good idea to get everything checked. Toddy and the team, as I said, All Brand Caravan Services. We're going to go and try and catch a Barra Monday now. See you next time.